Do you need water? Water? Do you want water? Do you? Water! Oh, they're kissing! Oh! Oh! He needs his brush teeth, don't you, boy? Yeah, hey, love. Baby boy. Yeah. Love you. Buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah.
So Clyde and I picked up the dogs around 11 a.m. and we were so excited to see them again, and it was amazing. So we had to spend a whole day together, just us four, just going around and exploring. It was amazing. You can tell that the boys had so much fun at the dog hotel, because when they came back to us, they were fast asleep. It was so amazing to have the whole four of us back together. We really did miss them, and of course we had to have some photos when we picked them up straight away. Oh, it was lovely. The dogs didn't want to leave, but we were happy to have them back. Thank you so much for watching our journey.